Today we are going to speak about the sets. First, what is the set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects which have a common property, which means something that two people doesn't differ about. The first thing in sets is the intersection. Intersection means the common elements between the two sets. For example, if we have set of x and set of y, x contains 3, 5, 4, 2 as their elements, and y 1 and 2 and 4 and 9 as in the example shown. So the intersection between x and y is the two elements 2 and 4. Second thing we're going to discuss is the union. Union of two sets is that the sets which contain all elements belonging to x and y. The same example, x and y. This means x union y, we say that it contains all of the elements. So what are all of the elements we have? It's 3, 5, 2, 4, 1 and 9. These are all of the elements which contains in x and y. Now we're going to speak for an example which consists of all of the sets we have. First, if you want to speak about intersection, let's revise. The intersection means the common elements in x and y. As the example, x intersect y is 3 and 0 only. What about the x intersect y all complement? The complement means what does not exist in x intersect y, in the set we are talking about. So x intersect y, we want the complement of it. What does not exist in this set, x intersect y? We have said before that the x intersect y is 3 and 0. So the complement of x intersect y equal 11 and 2 and 9 and 6 and 4. All of the other elements which does not exist in this set, which is called x intersect y. Second is x union y. We've said before that the union, we take all of the elements and we never forget, never repeat the elements. So x union y, 11, 3, 0, 6 and 4. And because we never repeat the elements, so these are the only elements. We don't take the elements which are outside the 2 and 9, because these does not exist in our set. Second is the x union y complement. We've said before that the complement, we take the sets which does not exist in the set we are talking about. This means the word complement. So x union y, we have seen before, it's 11, 3, 0, 6, 4. What are the other two elements which we have not said about? It's 2 and 9. So x union y complement is 2 and 9 only. Universal set, we've said universal set is the set which contains everything. So universal set U equal 2, 9, 11, 3, 0, 6, 4, everything which is inside the universal set. Second is the x complement. X complement means what does not exist in x. What does not exist in x? We can see that it's 6 and 4 and 2 and 9 only. Y complement similarly, it's 11 and 2 and 9. Then we're going to speak about the minus sign or the difference. X difference y or x minus y, it's 11. What is the meaning of the word difference? Difference, it's what contains in x only. X difference y means what exists in x only and does not exist on the other set, which is y. So x difference y, it's equal to 11. Next one is y difference x, it differs. Y difference x, it's 6 and 4. Why is this different? The first one was 11 and this one is 6 and 4 only. This we are going to say what exists in y only and does not exist in x. So we can see it's only 6 and 4. Second one, it's x dash difference y. X dash, as you see in the first one, x dash it's 6, 4, 2 and 9. And y it's 6, 4, 3 and 0. The difference means what exists in X dash only. You can see from here that it's only 2 and 9 exist in X dash and does not exist in Y. This one is the last one. What are the subsets of 3 and 4? Subset means that what are the set which we can say that they are a part of the set 3 and 4. First one, the set of 3, it's a part of 3 and 4, of the set 3 and 4. Set of 4, it's a part of 3 and 4. Set of 3 and 4, it's the same as 3 and 4, so we can say that the set of 3 and 4 is a subset of 3 and 4. And the last one is phi. We say something which is very important. Phi is a subset of any set, whatever it is. Thank you very much. Any questions?